Before I slowly climb these stairs again, I'd stop the clock and silence all the pain. Empty words that don't mean a thing. I'm searching for the light that dreams can bring. Close to you, I find my breath once more, like watching the sea and diving from the shore. I feel the grace rushing through my veins, breaking the fears, the tears, and all the chains. That mouth of yours is a medicine so pure, making me forget the long road I know. You are lava of fire burning through the dark, melt the evil, tear the walls apart, pierce my soul, devastate the pain. You're the flame in my heart, the love I gain. It's not a story that words can never tell. The rising fire, no one can ever quell. Every departure is a war already lost. Voices in time paying a heavy cost. But when I look at you, the shadows die away. Everything turns sweet when I see you smile today. You are the sun that clears the stormy sky. In this cold world, you're the truth, no lie. You're the only dream where my heart beats. You're the red river that washes me clean, the only light that I have ever seen. You to me are breath. You to me are life. Before I climb, I finally understood. By your side and all the chains.